Do you have a Samsung front-loading washing machine? Is the latch not working? Well, let me show you how I replaced the latch on mine, which is model number wf350. I ordered the appropriate part just from Amazon. It was about 30 bucks and was available with Prime shipping, so I got it 2 days later. This is what you're going to need: some needle nose pliers, a drill, and the part. Don't forget to unplug your device. First thing you're going to want to do is remove the retaining ring wire. To do this, a pair of needle nose pliers helps, just to get the spring area out. The spring is fairly tight and it doesn't give a whole lot, but it gives just enough to get it over the seal, and then off it comes. Once that's off, you can fold the rubber seal back. Next, remove the 3 screws holding in the old latch. From behind the rubber seal, take out the old latch, remove it, remove the cables, and remove the white hood, which you're going to want to keep. Place the cables into the new latch. Attach the white hood and then replace in the fitting. Gently replace the screws, keeping in mind that they are screwing into plastic and you don't want to strip them. Finish off the tightening with a hand Phillips screwdriver. Replace the rubber seal along the metal groove. And lastly, replace the spring retaining wire. This is probably the hardest part. I found that it was helpful to put the spring part in first, loop the wire around, and then using needle nose, pliers, and a little bit of magic, work it back into the groove. And that's it, the new latch is installed.